As firms implement more systems and consumers want access to everything from everywhere, managing integrations between systems are becoming increasingly crucial. While there is a significant need for corresponding data, more than a third of corporate users say that Salesforce integration is the most challenging aspect of offering new digital services. You may connect your systems and data with your users using Salesforce declarative tools to help them to be more productive. And in this regard, Salesforce allows you to go one step further with MuleSoft Composer, enabling your data to break down existing data silos and connect more data. Let's now begin with a brief introduction to MuleSoft Composer from Salesforce. MuleSoft Composer for Salesforce, based on the AnyPoint platform, allows Salesforce administrators to break down data and silos and to Salesforce and automate integrations with a few clicks rather than coding. MuleSoft AnyPoint platform is a unified API and integration platform that allows companies to access data across applications and offer connected experiences. Wondering what you can do with the MuleSoft Composer for Salesforce? Let me answer your question. Firstly, it empowers non-developers by helping them to overcome their limitations by creating and integrating directly in Salesforce. In addition, one does not need to learn a new system because the integration tool is already integrated into the admin console. Secondly, MuleSoft Composer makes it simple to integrate apps and data to Salesforce with a guided click-through experience. No code is necessary. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now let's discuss how to utilize MuleSoft Composer connectors. The catalog of connectors to Salesforce, Workday, and NetSuite is MuleSoft Composer's secret sauce. Pre-built connectors and templates help you to get started quickly by developing integrations and generating a single view of your customers. Some of the connectors which are available in MuleSoft Composer from March 2021 are: first one is NetSuite, which assists businesses with the key business activities, ERP financials, CRM, e-commerce, inventory, and more. It synchronizes data and automates business processes. Another connector is Workday, a software as a service SaaS solution for human capital management, including human resources, staffing, recruiting, and performance management. Tableau is the third connector, a business and analytics tools that help people understand database and spreadsheets. The Google Spreadsheets connector connects you to the Google Spreadsheets API in a real time, allowing you to access, create, and edit Google Sheets. And lastly, you can use the Slack connector to connect to the Slack platform. This connection supports 3 Slack API actions, including looking for your users' information via email, sending a direct message, and posting an announcement on a channel. Now, let's dive into all the benefits that MuleSoft Composer for Salesforce will provide you for your business. Firstly, it streamlines your sales process. As connector for CRM, ERP, and other systems, it can synchronize data and streamline code to action procedures. Moreover, admin will be able to streamline their order to cash process as a result of this. It will also boost sales productivity across the board. All above, the Tableau connector will provide your team with a particular form of data. In addition, MuleSoft Composer for Salesforce enables your team to share files and data across all of their locations. They can also connect their Sales Cloud data to Slack or Google Sheets. Moreover, it helps boost employee experience by using technologies such as NetSuite, Workday, and Salesforce. Business may now automate their payroll process and update employee profiles with the help of MuleSoft Composer. Notably, MuleSoft Composer for Salesforce allows Salesforce partners to extend their integration capabilities without leaving the platform. In addition, it provides a seamless Salesforce release management process. Finally, it gives partners an easy-to-use platform that speeds up project time to value and provides a solution that clients can self-sustain over time. To sum it up, if you want to sync your data better and allow the seamless flow of data among different systems and applications within your business, then use MuleSoft Composer for Salesforce to transform your business in countless ways. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more videos on Salesforce innovations and development. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.